Recently, I covered the Redmi K70 Pro here on C4E Tech, and in that video, I mentioned Redmi having a special Lamborghini edition that I was not able to buy at that time. A few weeks after that video, this went on sale, and of course, I ended up buying it. So this is the Redmi K70 Pro Lamborghini edition, also known as the Champion or Championship edition in China. And today, let me walk you through the unboxing experience and let's take a look at what Redmi's actually done here. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech and let's get started. So this is the special edition box. It reminds me of longer OnePlus and Oppo boxes. We've got Lamborghini mentioned up top, and beat it up, you can only get this special edition with the top SKU. That's 24 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and a terabyte of UFS 4.0 storage. And here at the back we also have this holographic authenticity sticker. Cool. Then there is more branding all over. Now if you look closer, you'd notice that diamond pattern here. To me though, it looks like a Mercedes logo. But okay, I get what they're going for. So we've seen a lot of collaborations between car and smartphone manufacturers, and this is Redmi's take on it. So I'm kind of curious to see what they've done. I really like the colors they have on offer. And if you know me, I love yellow phones. Like way back in 2013, I really wanted that yellow Mi 3 so bad. I mean, nostalgia, good times, right? 15K phone with a flagship chip. Half times have changed. So that's why I went for the yellow. So here, let me open up the box. There is nothing up top, no Easter eggs of any kind. Now the first thing inside is this black insert with more Lamborghini branding. And Quadricores, it's the name of Lamborghini's motorsport department, and these are some of their landmark launches, I suppose. Sorry guys, my knowledge of cars and racing ends with the occasional racing game, so apologies to any car enthusiasts watching. Now this card on the inside, this and the rest of the box here, they've got that carbon fiber pattern, and the SIM ejector tool, Redmi's customized it. Let me bring it in closer. Powered by Redmi. And to the other side, you've again got Lamborghini branding. The SIM tool, it's thicker than usual, pretty solid. Not that anyone should care, I'm just pointing out the attention to detail shown. Now this little compartment beneath the phone, it houses the charger. Guys, if you remember the Harry Potter edition Redmi Note 12 Turbo, I think. If you remember, in that unboxing I mentioned them not customizing the charger was a missed opportunity. So I'm happy to see this time they've not made that mistake. This time Redmi's actually customized the charger. So let me remove that protective cover. Now this is still the same 120 watt hypercharge adapter. The text is in gold though, and it's got that Lamborghini branding. It's very glossy, but very cool nonetheless. Moving on, this is the star of the show. This is the Lamborghini edition Redmi K70 Pro. Now with the vanilla K70 Pro, the back, the mountains and shadows kind of patterns it had, it looked cool, sure. But side by side, next to this version, that design looks almost pedestrian, because I really like what they've done here. The back, it reflects light differently to the point where it gives off an illusion of having a sharp raised center. So it kind of looks great, but the back, it's actually flat. But it's also glossy, so it's going to be fingerprint central in comparison to the matte vanilla K70 Pro. Now the camera array also has a different design. We have prominent Redmi branding and the text is all gold. There's also a gold ring surrounding the cameras themselves. And the array, it's now got a more angular racing kind of look to it, 5 sides instead of 4. From a software perspective, first we have this, the boot animation. I think that was pretty darn awesome. Now let me quickly run through setup. My first thought, the weather widget here, it really sticks out like a sore thumb. What do you think? Now I do like the overall look. They've gone for all hexagonal icons, even for the third-party ones, all in gold or yellow, however you want to see it. I wish Redmi included a few extra wallpapers at least. In fact, this is the only wallpaper you get. The green wallpaper you get with the green version, even that's not included here. However, you do get a custom AOD theme, which frankly looks neat. That's pretty much everything on the software side. Now continuing with the unboxing experience, we get this quick start guide and the case itself, which is a big part of this unboxing. Sorry, I kind of got carried away. So this case, it's obviously got Lamborghini branding to the back, and Redmi is going for a faux leather finish here with the stitching and everything. So it feels quite grippy. Surrounding the camera, there's a little bit of gloss, and on the inside, you've got Redmi branding. And this here, they do provide the strap. Let me remove the plastic. The strap kind of pops in right here. And then when you put your phone in, you end up with a case and a faux leather strap. Nice, right? Now the strap itself again has Redmi branding, and it's got the same stitched faux leather pattern to match the look of the case. Now the last thing in the box, which again I almost forgot, I actually shot this later, it's the USB cable, type A to type C, nothing special, no customization here. So that's a quick look at the special edition Redmi K70 Pro. This phone is available for 4599 RMB, so a couple of hundred RMB over 1TB version of the regular K70 Pro. What do you think? A special case, customized SIM tool and charger with this change in design. Worth that little extra? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.